Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on or off the warning feature for leaving your S Pen behind. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So first open up settings, then scroll down until you see advanced features, so click on that. Once you're on here, near the top you should see S Pen, so select that. Then scroll down again until you see more S Pen settings, so click on that. Then you should see in the middle, warn if S Pen is left behind. Show a warning if you leave your S Pen behind and walk away with your phone while the screen is off. So all you have to do is obviously just toggle that on or toggle it off if you want that feature on. Thanks for watching.